Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to change color in Photoshop. So first of all, what we have to do, we will go to the layers and here we will create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl J. And we will hide the first background layer and then we will work on the duplicate layer. And here we have to go on this option and we will go to the hue saturation. Just press this option and here you will select your subject, which subject you want to change your color. I have select this frock or dress color and here we will change its color. As you can see guys, its color is going to change. And here you will adjust its darkness or brightness, and you can adjust by these options. So guys, as you can see, this color has been totally changed from that we have, and you can change your color. You can change any of color, but for now I am going to change it in pink color. So guys, this is how to change color in Photoshop, and if as you can see, we have totally changed its color into pink. So guys, this is how to change color in Photoshop. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. Good luck.